Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started on Substack. First, navigate to the Substack website and sign up for a new account. You will need to choose a distinctive name for your publication and write a concise, engaging description that tells potential readers what to expect. Don't forget to personalize your profile with a professional image and a brief author biography. This initial setup takes only a few minutes and forms the foundation of your publishing journey. Once your account is ready, focus on crafting compelling content. Develop a clear content strategy, deciding on your niche and how often you will publish. Utilize Substack's intuitive editor to write and format your newsletters, incorporating engaging visuals like images or videos. You can either schedule your posts for a future date or publish them instantly to reach your subscribers right away. Consistency is key to building a loyal readership. Building a strong audience is crucial for your Substack success. Begin by importing any existing email lists you may have to kickstart your subscriber count. Actively promote your newsletter across various social media channels to attract new readers. Engage directly with your audience through comments and community discussions, fostering a sense of connection. Consider collaborating with fellow writers to tap into new audiences and broaden your overall reach. Substack offers excellent opportunities for monetization. You can introduce paid subscriptions, providing exclusive content to your most dedicated supporters. Consider setting a reasonable price, perhaps $5 per month or $50 annually, for your premium offerings. Consistency in publishing is vital to retain subscribers. Regularly review your analytics to understand what resonates with your audience, helping you refine your strategy and maximize your earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.